what I actually did fitness-wise on vacation. So we are part of the crazy crew that does same-day fly-ins. So we flew in from Chicago to Miami, straight to the port, and went to explore the ship. And these were our totals from Sunday. Day 2, we dropped the kids off at kids camp because they love it. And they had their aunt and grandma on board while me and my hubs went to explore the ship and also disembark so we can go enjoy Nassau. And I saw this pony, and this was our total for that day. It was not such a great day at Coco Cay, so we cut it short. This is me testing if my knees can handle any kind of CrossFit, which it could not, but we just got it done anyway, and this was my total for Tuesday. This was an active recovery day, even though I still got some steps in and some goals. This was that because I knew we had a great day coming up. And here we are in beautiful Jamaica. We had lots of activities planned. We went to Dunn's Rivers Falls, and we also went to the Green Grotto Caves. And this is what we got that day. Friday was not that great of weather, so I couldn't run outside for safety, and honestly, we slept in. I think we even ordered room service that day. So when I finally got active, I did some treadmill work, and that was pretty much it. But we were all rested for Saturday, baby. Saturday was fun day. We did swimming, walking, and even though it was a fun day, it was pretty sad because we had to pack up and we basically did everything the kids wanted. Sunday, it was time to go home. And this was our travel day. This is what we got for that day, and home sweet home. Overall, I think I accomplished my goals, and see you next time.